Hi, I'm Mark Nanyola. Let me ask you, how many times have you said, I'll do it tomorrow? Maybe it's starting a business, finishing a task, or even chasing your dream. The truth is, delaying doesn't just waste time, it steals opportunities. I used to think I wasn't moving forward because I lacked money, talent, or resources. But the real reason I kept delaying, here's what I learned. Procrastination is not laziness, it's fear. Fear of failure, fear of mistakes, fear of discomfort. The way I broke free was simple. Number one, start small. Even 5 minutes of action is progress. Number two, break tasks down. Focus on one page, one step, not the whole mountain. Number three, stay consistent. Small daily wins beat big delayed plans. These little shifts completely changed my habit. From someone who always said tomorrow, I became someone who acts today. That's why I created my ebook, Delayed No More. It's a simple guide with the exact strategies I used to beat procrastination. If you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is your sign. The right time to act is not tomorrow, it's now. So start today and let Delayed No More help you finally take action on your goals.